Hello, I am Wael Yahya, Certified Financial Technician Expert from the International Federation of Technical Analysts. In this video, we will apply the classical technical analysis methods to the gold over the short term. First of all, let us identify the well-established downtrend over the short term. First of all, we can see that we are having a collection of falling peaks, and these falling peaks can be easily connected by a downtrend line, as well as we do have falling bottoms, and this can be also connected with a downtrend channel line. So it's clear that over the short term, falling peaks and falling bottoms are characteristic of a well-established downtrend over the short term. We do also notice that a weekly medium-term support is broken at $1686. This is very important and very significant level over the medium term. In order for the gold to be positive or to be bullish, it should never close below 1686. And as today is Friday and it is the weekly close, it's very dangerous what is happening now. It closed on Thursday below 1686, and now it cannot manage to quickly return back above 1686. So things are getting critical, and if the gold did not manage to return once more above this level the coming week, things are bearish and things are not looking good, and it will be under very strong selling pressure over the medium term, in addition of course to the previously selling pressure over the short term. So it's very important that 1686 should be intact, which is not the case now. A virtual trade on the short selling side can be written and can be executed only after the confirmation of the 1686 break, which comes after 3 days close below 1686, which means that we should wait for the coming week at least until Wednesday before executing this virtual trade on the short selling side, with a stop loss can be around 1750. Entrance range or entrance zone, the entry zone can be between 1660 up to 1690, while the targets are around $1,600. This is the first target. It can be less, of course, around 1560. Keep in mind that this virtual trade is only allowed to be executed or traded or put in action only if the 1686 level works as a resistance for additional 3 days, as we have just mentioned. We do expect some volatility around that level, but a decisive break with 3 days confirmation is a good signal for virtual trading over the short term to the downside. At some point, it looked like the gold was going to do some kind of a big trading range or moving into a huge sideway, which turned not to be the case after the break of 1686. You can notice that it made two peaks around the 2000 zone, and it just made one significant bottom around 1686. The next one was a failure, and at least until now it did not respect the expected support around 1686. So things are not looking good at all in the gold, and the downward targets are starting from 1600, maybe 1560, and maybe less. Of course, the rising interest rates over the dollar will put much more selling pressure over the short term on the precious metal. That's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.